Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry there hasn't been a video in a little over a week. I've just been on a halt for content recently. I actually recently just got my hands on a Canon M50, which is what I'm shooting now, and it's kind of weird that you probably see that I'm walking around because normally I use my Canon 60 Mark II, this camera right here, and I shoot the videos on a prime lens, which means it doesn't move, the 50 right here, and that's how it looks kind of sharp and a really blurry background. So yeah, it's probably kind of weird that I'm walking around. So yeah, I have my hands on a Canon M50. This little camera right here. A friend let me borrow this. I'm just going to be testing it out to see if it's worth getting in 2020 if you're kind of a beginner. And so far what I've seen, it really is, and it's a good way to get used to seeing, like, or getting used to, how do you say it, what the mirrorless line is going to be, because obviously mirrorless cameras are what the future is. I think in the next 2 years no more DSLRs will be being made. I know Nikon, I believe, canceled their final DSLR. Sony hasn't been making DSLRs for like 8-10 years or something crazy. And I think Canon's last DSLR is going to be the 1DX Mark III. So yeah, just letting you guys know, a little update. Got my hands on this camera. I'm excited to test out because it's basically just a mirrorless 8DD, and I did sell my 8DD, but I did love my 8DD. And I'm going to try to get an EF adapter for this camera so I can use regular EF glass, such as a normal mount like this and not the mirrorless M mount since the lenses aren't quite there. So yeah, just a small channel update, little small 2-minute video. Review will be coming out maybe this weekend of some kind, just like a simple review, something that I feel if I was a new to beginner camera person, what you would expect to see, just to give you like the, oh, you know, black and white, keep it nice and simple. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves, wash your hands, don't touch your face like I've been doing right now, but I just washed my hands. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.